Hey there, beautiful. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to apply eyeliner, from tightlining to creating the perfect wing. I'll be going through the sequence which I use to build up into the cat eye look. You'll need 3 brushes, a fluffy brush for blending, a flat brush, and an angled flat brush. These are the brushes I'll be using. This right here is just a fluffy brush I got from a Morphe set a couple years ago. I'll be also using the Morphe M432 for the flat brush. And for the angled brush, I'll be using the Morphe M165. I like to depot my products, so I'm also going to need my spatula, and I'm just going to depot in the back of my hand since it's just me. I'm also going to need this Morphe pencil, and this color is in Lights Out. Grab any matte black eyeshadow. I'll be using Spyglass and ColourPop's Bare Necessities palette. I'm also going to need ColourPop's Gel Color in Swerve, and any concealer will work. This first method I'm showing you is called tightlining. So grab your pencil liner, and what we're going to do is line our upper waterline. For people with very sensitive eyes, I would not recommend doing this. This method just adds a very delicate touch to your lash line. Next, I'm going to show you how I like to line my clients' upper lash lines. I like to begin by just applying a nice layer of liner right next to the lashes. After I apply the eyeliner, I like to take a flat angled brush, so I'm taking the Morphe M165, and kind of blend that eyeliner out. If you're going for a soft look, you can stop here, but if you want a little bit more detail, you can grab that black eyeshadow that we were talking about earlier. Again, I'm just going to use the one that's in the Bare Necessities palette, and I'm going to deepen that line a little bit. This is the method that I usually wear when I apply my own makeup. I really love how it just enhances that lash line and just draws so much attention to your eyes. Now finally, the wing. So these are the steps that we've built up so far. And again, I'm going to take that angled M165 and get a little bit of that Spyglass in that Bare Necessities palette. And I'm just going to start with the basic shape of the wing. I then like to take that Morphe M432, dry, no product on it, and just go around the wing and kind of clean up all the little spots that might not be perfect. Trying to make the second wing is probably one of the hardest things. So just remember that your wings and your brows are not twins. They are sisters, and if they have to be distant cousins some days, then let it be. Now I'm taking that dry Morphe M432 again and just kind of cleaning up around the edges. Using the eyeshadow creates a really soft wing, and I think that is very flattering if you like soft makeup. If you want to go a little bit more dramatic, you can pick up a gel eyeliner. Again, this one is the ColourPop gel liner in Swerve, and I'm just going to dot it onto the back of my hand. Using the M432 from Morphe, I'm going to pick up a little bit of that gel liner and start over on top of the eyeshadow that we put down. The eyeshadow acts as a map, so we know exactly where to put the gel liner. That's why I really like to use this step-by-step method, because I find it helps in creating the wing. And there we have it. The wing's done using that step-by-step method. So now we're just going to clean them up a little bit. I'm going to use a clean Morphe M432 and a little bit of that concealer on the back of my hand and just really sharpen up those edges. Now take your fluffy brush and blend out all that concealer. Alright, our eyeliner is all done. So I think all we need to do now is some lashes. There we go. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys picked up a thing or two. Comment below, what is your favorite eyeliner method? What are your favorite products? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Take care.